Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock. Guys, today this is doing a launch. It's like a rocket ship today. Well, really great price action. So this video, let's talk about, are we now launching? Are we going into the stratosphere from here? So let's talk about all of that in this video, guys. And with that, please hit the like and subscribe. And also please note, none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own actions, your own outcomes. Whatever you do, it's all up to you, okay? Now, so Tesla, let's start off with my, day trading bot. So let's go over there. Today also made a good move. Well, even the days when Tesla has been falling, you can see past couple of days, the bot still has been making money. Even today in the morning we fell, but the buy signal only came when we had the confirmation on the buy side. So yeah, good moves today as well. You can see the data on the left side. There are red days as well, and yeah, that's what it is. Whatever, is on the screen. If you need any access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators, 2 bots, and that's all. Nothing more, nothing less, and no guarantee. Only educational tools. There can be red days as well, and yeah, market can go down to zero all the time tomorrow. Well, who knows, right? But anyways, I'm just kidding. But yeah, only educational tools and nothing more than that. Okay, so let's go. Let's turn that off. Okay, so really good price action on Tesla today. Let's start with the daily interval. And what are we seeing is that we are above 50 days moving average, right? And but not that only, we are now today regained above 20 days moving average. You can see that we are still a little bit rejecting in that supply zone, but just looking at the today's candle takes up a lot of my worry on the selling side at least. Are we though in bullish territory though? I would say let's go through the technicals and the data, and that question will be answered soon. So daily interval looking great, looking bullish. Bars are still holding above 50 days moving average and 173 and $175 range. Let's go to the hourly interval actually. So yeah, here we are. And so you can see buyers are still holding strong in this area, 173 to below 100, sorry, 175 and below to 173. They have been holding strong, and definitely this is where we have been dipping but getting bought back up in this area as well down here. So that's really great. And today we got a really good move to the upside. Now it's all about holding this place, because why? This blue box that you see here is where Tesla has been acting so much into the supply zone, right? Forever. I mean, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and then it started to sell off then as well. And then today also we are seeing some sell off in the same region. But what actually is on the bull side is, I showed you on the daily interval, technicals are still holding on the bull side, 20 and 50 days moving average above. And also this level, no matter how hard, even from the last couple of days, bears have kept it lower and lower, lower highs, lower lows, but Tesla still held this level. I mean, this is really surprising. Like, it's this level is just still holding 173 for more than a month. So guys, it all comes down to that Elon Musk package thing, the vote and everything. So I think next week we would have, so expect volatility more, but I think if the package is approved, let's see if it again, it's gonna be the move. I think is going to come when we have the news on the package, right? And I hope that package gets approved, because well, I do believe that in contractual agreement, if that was the agreement, and Elon Musk fulfilled all those metrics, then he should be given that contract, and anything that got voided is just a hypocrisy. It's just ridiculous. So yeah, now yeah, here we are though on the hourly interval. So yeah, even on hourly interval, technicals are bullish now. We have changed the structure. We have negated out of that trend line of the downward lower highs, lower lows. Pivot has formed, and we are in the bullish territory. Tesla can remain bullish. I'm saying can, and not saying that it will stay, because you can see from last couple of days it's just being between these two areas, right? That's why I still want to first see it above close a day above $180. All right. And yeah, so but yeah, as long as it stays above 200 hours moving average tomorrow, and also this level of 176 and 84 cents, we are just bullish on Tesla. and we can continue higher. If we lose that, then it's time to cry again. But it's not going to get fully bearish, but it's just that the bullish sentiment will not be there if we break below 176 and 86 cents. All right, let's go to the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's the same thing, guys. Nothing. It's like bullish intraday, and as long as we hold that level, 176, around 176 and 87 cents area, and so forth. Yeah, this is just a bullish structure now on Tesla on intraday as well, and on swing as well. It's looking good to me. Let's go to the weekly interval here. Let's talk about a couple of things. Oh, yeah, yeah. If this week we can close green, which will have to be by tomorrow. So that, and above 20 weeks moving average, that's a good sign. You can see how closely it's getting now to that overhead resistance channel line, right? And yeah, guys, once we break out of this channel line to the upside, it opens up the door above $200 range. Like that's your key to the castle. I mean, castle of the money. So to get above into the $200 range, we gotta get out of this channel. And Tesla is looking good though, guys. I mean, it's like, you know, it's on the weekly still is looking like a pullback, right? So that's still good to see. But I know it hasn't been a smooth ride. It has been a lot of, you know, up and down roller coaster. Like you can see, just last 3 weeks, it has just gone what, sideways. When was the last time Tesla did anything like that? Well, Tesla has made moves within 2 weeks. You know, like this is where I'm seeing some stagnation, but that was only 2 weeks. And at least Tesla has been making some, it's not being flat line. Like even here, it has been making, you know, a gradual move. Here it's just like completely gone sideways. Yeah, I can see here as well, we went sideways. Yeah, average V, yeah, well, yeah, let's get out of here. Let's go up. All right. So yeah, things are looking great. Bulls, I would give 65% to 70% hold to the bulls here, that bulls have control. Okie dokie. Well, guys, that's pretty much it. Definitely we want to get out of this blue box to confirm more bullishness. And look, when we have so much of sellers sitting over here, that means they're shorting, their stop loss is up here. So once we start to really, that's the thing, as we get out of this channel, all these stop losses will hit on the short side, meaning buy momentum will come in, and that's gonna really like push another leg up on Tesla. So let's see if Elon's package could be a catalyst coming, you know, in coming days, and definitely let's see if we can really push through. And I think, yeah, technically though, things are in the bullish territory as of today. We'll see if price action changes, but it's good to see we are above 20 days moving average as well, and all other level size I just talked about. Well, all right, let's go to the QQQ and SPY before wrapping up. And I don't know if I'll get time today to talk about individual with the tech stocks, but hey, here we go. So we'll talk QQQ and SPY here, guys. So we are bullish. All right, that red candle is nothing. Structure is not bearish, structure is still bullish. We are above 460. SPY, let's take a look at that. Structure is still bullish, got bought back up at that level of support, 533. That was the zone I was saying. We are above it. Structure is bullish. Bulls have a lot of control still. Even if we dip to 530, that's just bullish. That structure is still bullish, all right? That's that. All right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care, bye. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Bye.